Yeah. Shorty, I know what you need. I got everything you need. I promise I ain't gonna hold out.
Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with Beauty Forever hair. And let us just throw it right back to when I first started doing YouTube. And this is how I used to rock my curly bobs, like throwback. But in today's video, I just showed you guys how I installed this lovely unit from Beauty Forever, and they sent me their 13x4 lace frontal wig in transparent lace. But girl, the lace is not giving no lace, it's giving scalp, period. And it is in 150 density, 20 inches, and it is their Kinky curly wig unit. The hair is really nice and full. I'm living for it, and I just basically just snipped up the ends just a bit. But if you'd like to see how I install this wig 100% glueless, just keep on watching.
I want you around. Oh, I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. Don't not a rock with the working. Cause it know I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl. You got it. Ay. You got it, girl. You got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking and choosing. They ain't really love you. Running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you. Test your patience. Tell them that it's over. Ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games. Play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it.
Alright babes, so I'm finally finished and this is the end result. This wig is from Beauty Forever. They sent me their Kinky Curly textured unit in 150 density, 20 inches, and it is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. Let's just get into the curls. The texture, honey, is everything. And doing the water and conditioner combination with this Frizz Ease mousse is literally everything. It helped the hair to dry down really fast. It does not feel crunchy. It's very nice and soft. So I am loving every little bit about that combination, and I definitely think you guys should try it with a Beauty Forever unit. The links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase one. And so far so good. The shedding was very much expected, especially with kinkier or coilier textures. You will receive a little bit of shedding. So right now, this is the hairs from the brush. Not that much, right? Good. So this unit so far so good. I have no complaints and I'm just loving every bit of this curly wig. And I parted it on the side because I knew the 20 inches would be like so short, and I just snipped a little bit of the ends. Literally, this is the hair I snipped off, so let me just take like a little chunk. So it would be probably like an inch worth of hair that I snipped off to just give me like a sharp cut bob effect. Not really a bob, because this piece right here, it gives like layered, so when it dries down even more, or if I were to fluff it, then you know, it would just be really nice and natural looking, so to speak. So thank you again so much for watching, and thank you to Beauty Forever for sending me this gorgeous wig. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.